about basic properties of a form. In Visual Basic property, window is appear on the right side of the ID. Form contains some common fundamental properties that can be modified using the property window. This is the property window, which contains different kind of properties. For example, we can easily change. The first one property is called name. This property is used as an identifier to the form that will uniquely identify this form in the entire application. Second one property is the appearance. This is called 3D appearance or flat appearance. Fourth property is called back color. We can easily change form back color. Default is a light gray. And this property is called caption. Caption is the text that will appear on the application window. And much more properties here. We can use color property as this will change the form color. We say about this is the form name that will uniquely identify the form, this form, entire application. Let's suppose we say that this is test form. If we double click on the form, the code window will appear. Here is also navigation that can be used to navigate to code or window or GUI. This is code view, this is GUI view, and the last one is the project explorer or folder view. If we double click on the form code view will be appear. Here we can write that test dot test. This is our form name test dot background color is equal to RGB. So 100 40 56. This function RGB will execute whenever form load. So let's start by this is amazing. Form color is changed when load event triggered. There are much more flexible properties that can be used to modify our form environment. Auto redraw, window state. The last property that we will discuss is called window state. This property will enable a form to load in maximized, minimized, or full screen view whenever it should be loaded. We will select it maximized. Now let's check. This form is loaded into a full screen. Why? Because we set its property as maximized. We can change it to minimized. Then the form is loaded in minimized form. These are the some common properties of the form, and this is the property explorer of the form. With respect to time, we will check, test, and implement other properties of the form.